LA's wildfires often erupt after prolonged droughts and periods of low humidity, which dry out vegetation and make it highly flammable. With little rainfall over extended periods, the environment becomes a tinderbox ready to ignite. Dry conditions combined with low humidity create a volatile atmosphere, especially during the summer months. Even small sparks or heat sources, like a discarded cigarette, can quickly escalate into raging wildfires, threatening homes, wildlife, and entire communities. These weather conditions also make it extremely challenging to contain wildfires once they have started.